Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Naveen. In this video, we will be discussing about intraday stocks to trade on the sell side in tomorrow's trading session. That is on 19th October 2021. I have picked 4 stocks to trade on the sell side in tomorrow's trading session. So all the 4 stocks have high potential trades. So make sure you are watching this video till the end. So before getting into the video, if you are not yet subscribed my channel, so the channel name is Trader Naveen. So make sure you are trading this channel. I will be posting regular videos on this channel regarding stock market. Okay, let's get into the video. The first stock I have picked to trade tomorrow's trading session is Uflix Limited. Uflix Limited, if you check the price action in daily time frame, as you see, the price was respecting this resistance level multiple times, right? So we see a breakout of this resistance level. So the price was respecting this resistance level multiple times. We see a breakout of this level, and the retest is still pending, right? So after the breakout, if you check the price action, we see a bullish momentum, but whereas today we got the shooting star candle, so we can expect a profit booking in this stock in tomorrow's trading session. So apart from this, we have additional confirmation. Let me switch to the 1 hour time frame. So as you see, so whenever the price reaches this level, which is around 658 level, so we see a selling pressure, right? So if you check the price action in daily time frame, it's like a double top kind of pattern. So whenever the price reaches this level 658, around 658 level, we see a bearish momentum. So today also the same what happened, we see a bearish momentum, and the day ended with the shooting star candle, right? So let me again go to the 1 hour time frame. So as you see, whenever the price reaches this 625 level, we see a bullish momentum, right? So though we got a shooting star candle in daily time frame, we can expect a bearish momentum in tomorrow's trading session. So in tomorrow's trading session, as soon as the price crosses 625 level, we can initiate a sell trade for the target of 608. Okay. See, as soon as the price crosses 625 level, we can initiate a sell trade for the target of this swing point, which comes around 608. We can maintain a stop loss of this swing point, which comes around 635. So 20 points of stop loss, and we can expect a target at 607. Okay. The next stock is Atul Auto Limited. Atul Auto Limited, if you check the price action in daily time frame, as you see, whenever the price reaches this resistance level, so this is the resistance level, whenever the price reaches this resistance level, we see a bearish momentum, right? So currently we got the shooting star candle right at the resistance level, right? So as you see, we got this shooting star or gravestone doji. It's like a gravestone doji candle. We got the gravestone doji candle right at the resistance level. So gravestone doji is a bearish reversal candlestick, right? So we can expect a bearish momentum in tomorrow's trading session. So in tomorrow's trading session, as soon as the price crosses 237 level, so this level, as soon as the price crosses 237 level, we can initiate a sell trade for the first target of 232, and our next take profit will be at 225 level. Okay, let me switch to the lower time frame for the better understanding. So as you see, so whenever the price so we got a minor support level, right? So whenever the price reaches this minor support level, we see a bounce, right? Bullish momentum is seen. So currently we got a breakdown below this level, so we can initiate a sell trade as soon as the price breaks 237 level. So we can maintain a stop loss of 245, so around 243. So we can maintain a stop loss of this swing point, which comes around 243. 243 will be the stop loss. 230 sell at 237. Our first take profit will be at 232.50. So this level, which is tested multiple times. So our first take profit will be at 232.50, and our next take profit will be at 225 level. Okay. The next stock is Kotak Mahindra Bank. Kotak Mahindra Bank, if we observe the price action in daily time frame, so this is the resistance level. So as you see, whenever the price reaches this resistance zone, we see a bearish momentum, right? So right at the resistance level, so let me see, whenever the price reaches this resistance level, we see a bearish momentum, right? So today what happened is, right at the resistance level, so let me zoom in the chart. So right at the resistance level, we got the shooting star candle, right? So this is the shooting star candle. Right at the resistance level, we got the shooting star candle. So we can expect a bearish momentum in tomorrow's trading session. Okay, let me switch to the 15 minutes time frame for the better understanding. So there is a good volume too. So if you check the last, last 215 minutes candles volume, so there is a good volume too. So in tomorrow's trading session, as soon as the price crosses 2008, which is today's low, as soon as the price crosses 2008, we can initiate a sell trade for the first target of 2011, and our next take profit will be at 1990. So we are supposed to maintain a stop loss of 2020 rupees. Okay. The next stock is Godrej Consumer Product. So Godrej Consumer Product, if you check the price action in daily time frame, see, as you see, the price was respecting this support level. So whenever the price reaches this level, we see a bounce, right? So whenever the price reaches the support level, the buyers are getting activated and they're pushing the price on the higher side. So currently what happened is, we see a breakdown below this. So and we are seeing the bearish price action, right? So after the breakdown, we see a retest. It's kind of a lower high format. We are seeing a lower high format at this current level. So if you check the price action in lower time frame, let me switch to the 1 hour time frame. We got the minor support trend line. So this is the level, right? So whenever the price reaches this level, so the price was getting a bounce. So tomorrow we can expect a breakdown. We can expect a breakdown below this level by seeing the today's candlesticks. So we got the huge engulfing candle right from the resistance level. So previously it was acting as a support. So once after the breakdown, we got the engulfing candle right from the resistance.